Part 4. Scaling and Growth Strategies. Scaling your ChatGPT-powered business is a pivotal phase in your entrepreneurial journey. As your customer base grows, so do your opportunities and challenges. Here's a streamlined guide to help you navigate this phase effectively. Step 31. Analyze performance metrics. Gather data on user engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Identify trends and areas for improvement. Step 32. Identify scalability factors. Determine which aspects of your business can scale smoothly. Consider infrastructure, support, and AI model capabilities. Step 33. Expand customer support. Invest in robust customer support systems. As your user base grows, efficient support becomes vital for customer satisfaction. Step 34. Explore new markets. Research and identify untapped markets where ChatGPT can provide value. Tailor your approach to meet local needs. Step 35. Enhance AI capabilities. Continuously improve ChatGPT's capabilities. Stay updated with AI advancements and incorporate them into your offerings. Step 36. Foster user communities. Build a community around your ChatGPT-powered solutions. Encourage users to share their experiences and insights. Step 37. Seek partnerships. Collaborate with complementary businesses or platforms to expand your reach and offer integrated solutions. Step 38. Marketing and branding. Refine your marketing strategies to align with your growth goals. Highlight success stories and benefits. Step 39. Leverage data insights. Utilize data analytics to gain deeper insights into user behavior. Use this information to refine your offerings. Step 40. Adapt and evolve. Stay agile and open to change. Adapt to emerging trends and user needs to remain competitive. Scaling your ChatGPT-powered business requires a strategic mindset and a commitment to delivering value. By analyzing data, expanding support, exploring new markets, and fostering innovation, you can achieve sustainable growth and success in the AI landscape.